Hello, Grenaders. Welcome back to Gossip Grenade. Listen, your faith is not as honest as you think. Today, we're counting down 10 South African actors who have been arrested at some point in their lives. Some were misunderstandings, some were messy, and some, very serious. Let's get into it. At number 1, we have Brix. Yes, he's more known as a musician, but he's acted in TV productions too. Brix was arrested and later convicted of rape in 2017. He served prison time before being released on parole. This one shocked the entire country. At number 2, we have Rapulana Sipemo. The legendary Tau from Generations was once arrested for alleged drunk driving years ago. The charges were later reportedly withdrawn. Still, imagine getting arrested and you are Tau Mohale. The drama writes itself. And number 3, we have Silo Makikancube. The veteran actor was once arrested following a domestic dispute. The situation made headlines, but he denied serious wrongdoing, and the matter did not result in major convictions. Mercy, yes. Career ending, no. At number 4, we have Kanya Mkangisa. Kanya was reportedly arrested in 2018 after a nightclub altercation. She later explained her side of the story, and the matter did not escalate further. Sometimes celebs and groove just don't mix. At number 5, we have Luzuko Mteleko. The former Zone 14 actor was arrested on fraud-related allegations years ago. The case sparked huge conversation online at the time. At number 6, we have Thandeka Dawn King. The powerful actress behind Mangcobo on Uzalo was reportedly arrested in the past during a personal dispute situation. Again, not every arrest means conviction. At number 7, we have Siyabonga Shibe. Siyabonga Shibe faced legal issues involving domestic allegations years ago. The matter was widely reported, but later developments softened the situation legally. Still, the headlines were loud. At number 8, we have Baby Cele. Baby Cele reportedly had an arrest linked to a domestic matter in the past. The situation was resolved and she continued her career strongly. Mazette doesn't play on or off the screen. At number 9, we have Gabisile Shabalala. She was arrested in connection with a fraud investigation years ago, but later maintained her innocence. That story had timelines all over social media. At number 10, we have Bongani Mtombeni. The former Isibaya actor was reportedly arrested after a domestic dispute situation. Again, allegations don't always equal convictions. Now, let's be clear, guys. Being arrested doesn't automatically mean guilty. Some of these cases were withdrawn, some were misunderstandings, and some were serious and had consequences, right? But one thing about South African celebrity culture, the drama never sleeps. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comment below. See you next time.